On May 22nd, 1 PM, PIA Flight 8303 departed Lahore bound for Karachi. The aircraft was an Airbus A320-241, built in 2004 and bought from China Eastern Airlines. This A320 was operating for PIA from 2014. Following the relaxation of COVID-19 regulations, PIA began operating its aircraft on routes between Lahore, Muscat and Karachi. With 115 souls on board, PIA cruised the level at 35,000 feet on its way to Karachi from Lahore, Pakistan. The captain of Flight 8303 had over 17,000 hours of flight time, 5,000 of which were on the A320. The co-pilot was much younger but had been flying the A320 for a number of years.
We are comfortable now and we are out of 3,500 for 3,000. Established ILS 25 left. Sir, we are established on ILS 25 left.
So you are 5 miles from touchdown, distance passing 3,500.
What?
8303 clear line 25 left.
Roger, Pakistan 8303.
Flight 8303 begins its final turn onto the ILS approach for runway 25 left at Karachi International Airport. The pilots configured the A320 for landing with flaps position 4 and the auto throttle controlling the speed for the glide slope. Approximately 4 DME from the field, the pilots lower the landing gear. This process should take less than a minute, but the A320 system recognizes that the gear wasn't fully extended.
500.
This warning is audible to the pilots. Still on approach for 25 left, Flight 8303 continues the approach.
Minimum.
When the warning stops blaring to the cockpit, the crew realizes the aircraft isn't properly configured for landing.
Too low. Gear.
Hence, the takeoff go-around thrust setting is selected. As the engines are at toga, the descent rate isn't slowed down fast enough, and the A320 makes contact with the runway. With its engines and fuselage underside.
303 going around.
Eventually, the aircraft becomes airborne again.
3 report reaching altitude 3,500 feet.
Reporting a missed approach, the pilots attempt to climb to 3,500 feet. Whilst troubleshooting the landing gear issue, the pilots use a secondary gravity landing checklist as advised by the ECAM. The landing gear gravity extension crank is rotated 3 times to extend the gear. The pilots turn left, downward to restart the approach for 25 left.
Pakistan 8303, we would like to come again for ILS 25 left.
So descend left heading 110, climb 3,000.
Left heading confirm.
Left heading 110, climb 3,000.
110, climb 3,000, Pakistan 8303.
8303, you are jumping altitude 2,000.
Sir, we have just give me 2,000.
So maintain 2,000.
It is only then that the damage caused by the missed approach that both engines stop providing thrust to major systems.
We'll proceeding back, sir. We have lost engines.
Struggling to climb to 3,000 feet, the A320 could not produce enough lift to pass 2,000 feet.
Runway available to land at 25.
Automatically, the ram air turbine deploys and the pilots start the APU to provide electrical power to the basic flight systems. The pilots report a mayday call and are offered any runway for Karachi.
Sir, mayday, Pakistan 8303.
Pakistan 8303, roger sir, both runways available to land.
With no thrust and a gear extended, Flight 8303 begins to lose lift and begins descending towards the bustling streets of Karachi. The A320 impacts into the heart of Karachi.